Hello friend, in this video we are going to see how we can use return keyword to return a value from a function. Without further delay, let's start. This is the previous example that in which we see how we can use a parameter in a function. Now, if we want to use a function to return, for example, we have to store in some variable. We create a variable var a equals to first name f name plus space concatenate plus l name, and after that we just return a, and then let's save this with my function name. You can see nothing is printed. Why? Because this is our calling function. Here Amit is stored to this first name, then Kumar is stored to this variable last name, then we concatenate and we use break here also, br tag for next line. Okay. Here first name is stored, Amit is stored in first name and Kumar is stored in last name. After that we store these name with concatenation Amit Kumar with break to next line in variable a, and now this variable a is returned, which means it stores the value in my function. And if we want to use this function Amit Kumar, we have to store in some variable var b equals to, and after that we can print this value with document dot write, and after that we use p and then save. You can see Amit Kumar is printed now. If you change Amit with Ali Zafar, let's say, you can see Ali Zafar is printed. Okay, this is how we can use function with return. Now let's create another function to see how it actually works. Now let's see another example of function with return type. For we have to first print document.write. Here we provide total marks hyphen 300 and br tag, and then total here total subject which is 3, and here is total marks which is 300, and after that we have br tag and then br tag again for space. Let's save it. You can see, and after that we create a function name sum marks, and then we have math science English, and after that we just create a variable var a equals to math plus science plus English, and after that we just return a. It means first and after that we just create a variable var b equals to sum marks, and after that we provide 50 50 50, and let's save. Here this 50 is stored in this variable, and after that we sum with the help of plus operator, and then we return this A in this sum marks, and which is stored in our variable P. And after that we print document.write, and here we provide total total mark mark marks obtain equals to plus B, then plus next line. Okay, let's save. You can see after that we create another function percentage. Here I use total marks tm and creating a variable var c equals to. Now the percentage is calculated with total marks divided by 300, total marks obtained by 300 multiplied with 100 to convert it in percentage, and after that we return C. Okay, we can store, we can create a variable var, and then we create d equals to percentage, and we provide total marks as p, and after that we print document.write, and here percent percent percentage is plus p, not b, it is d, plus br tag. Now let's save. You can see total marks is 300, which is we printed, and here is percentage is 50%. If we change 50 by 90 and 90, let's save. You can see percentage is changed to 76.66. If we create here 90 again, let's save 90%. This is how we can create a variable with return type, and we can reuse the value that is written by the function. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.